This is the speaking test of the International English Language Training System taking place on Saturday, 3rd September 2023 at the Pixel Academy. The candidate is Mariam Wajahat and the candidate number is 051016788. The examiner is Mustafa Khan and the examiner number is 286779698. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What is your full name, please?
My full name is Mariam Wajahat, but you can call me Mariam.
Now, in the first part, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself.
Okay.
What is your daily routine?
My college just ended, so my daily routine is quite different from what it was before. I just wake up, spend some time on watching some series or TV. Then I spare some time to study, and after that, I spend time with my family, and eventually, I go to sleep.
What do you like to eat for dinner?
I'm not a picky eater, so I can almost eat anything. But if it's chicken, then I would be happy about that.
What is your favorite food?
Well, my favorite food has to be chicken, as I said before, any form of it.
Do you drink a lot of water every day?
Well, it depends upon my routine. If I'm busy, I don't drink a lot of water, but I try to drink a lot of water.
If people visit your home, what drink do you offer them?
Well, it depends on the weather. If it is cold, we give them coffee or tea, but if it is not, if it's like hot outside, we just give them like soft drinks or something.
This is the end of part 1. Now I will give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, I will give you 1 minute to think about it.
Okay.
You can make some notes if you wish. Here's a pen and a piece of paper. At the end of the 2 minutes, I will inform you to stop talking. Your 1 minute starts now, and your topic is what are the most visited places in your country?
Okay.
Your 1 minute is complete.
Okay. So I live in Pakistan, and there are a lot of places to visit in Pakistan. I will first start from the northern areas because they have great deal of beauty and greenery, and it's just very beautiful. Naran Kaghan are the two cities that are visited a lot in that northern side of Pakistan, and we have Jheel Saiful Muluk there, which is considered a beauty. It is very beautiful. And other than that, we have Murray and Nathagali. Those are like hill stations, and people like to visit them in summers mostly and in winters as well. However, you cannot visit the northern side in winters because it snows a lot. Then, if we come to the cities, we have Islamabad. Islamabad is the most modern city of Pakistan, and we have Faisal Mosque there, one of the biggest mosques, and with white architecture, and it's very pretty. Then we have Lahore, and in Lahore we get to see the history of the Mughals, especially if you go to Badshai Mosque, which is made out of red bricks. And when you go there, you feel the things that the Mughals might have felt, and you go back into the time. So that is like a very great experience. We also have Minar-e Pakistan in Lahore, which defines how Pakistan was made, and it is a great portion of our history. So if you visit it, you can also get to learn. You learn a lot about the country and its history.
Good. Now let's start with part 3.
Okay.
What kind of monuments do tourists in your country like to visit?
Well, we have Islamabad Monument. It is quite visited. Along with that, we also have Minar Pakistan, which people really visit because that is where it was decided that Pakistan will come into being, and they learn about our history over there.
Why do you think there are statues of famous people in public places?
Well, I think it is a sign of remembrance and the work that they have done for us. And if we make those statues, everyone can see them, they can learn about them, and they can know who they were and what they did. So that's why I think.
Do you think that all the monuments and buildings should always be preserved?
Well, yes, in my opinion, they should be because every monument and a historical building or whatever, they hold a great deal of importance. And just like I talked about Lahore Badshai Mosque, when you visit that place, you can go into a different era, different time. Therefore, I think they should be preserved.
Thank you very much. This is the end of the speaking test. Have a nice day.
Thank you.